Okay. Can I start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So three, two, one. Start. Hi, Rashmi. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, yeah, nice to see you over here. So, let's just tell me some about you and what is your art journey and all.
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Rashmi, and I'm working as an architect in Bangalore. I'm really passionate about art, and recently, I thought that maybe I should learn profession like from some professional. So I googled for art classes in Bangalore, and I found out about Ancona Art School. So I first came to visit you and see the school before joining, and I really like the vibe of the school. How, like, while entering the school also we can smell the paint and colors. It's just so good. Yeah. So actually, I like drawing and practicing every day, but I want to do that, but because of work and all, it's not possible to do that every day. It gets a little difficult. So I that's why I joined the classes, and I've seen a lot of improvement in my work. Also, I like in the class you let us do practice by ourselves for the first 20 minutes. So that has improved my drawing a lot. That's like the best part of the class, I can say. I really like the structure that you've created for the class, where first we get to practice on our own and then you come and teach us. So yeah, so my drawing has improved so much from there. Also, another good thing I like about the classes are how you teach everything from the basics. No matter how difficult the drawing is, you start from the basics. Like, you teach the basics because that's the most important part. If the basics are right, then the whole drawing looks right. If from the start the basics are not right,
Yeah.
then the drawing looks a little weird. So yeah, it's been really helpful from that. I can actually show you some
Yeah. Sure,
before
sure. Please.
my classes. Sorry.
Please. So,
Yeah, so I can show some drawings that I used to do before I joined the classes and
oh,
how my drawing has improved.
wow. This is really
Uh,
interesting. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. If you can see this, this
Yeah.
is
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah.
try to do
Visible.
of a
Visible.
person.
Visible. Visible.
Yeah. So, and this is what I did after joining the class.
Oh.
So you can just see uh, how much
Yeah.
the detailing and everything has improved so much over there. And also, for a scenic example, this is what I had done once.
Okay.
Not very old drawings. These were done in, I think,
It's good. It's good.
2020,
It's really good. Yeah.
yeah, 2023 end or 2024, something like that. And I joined the classes in 2024 end. So the the difference you can see is like too
Ah,
much
depth,
different.
right. Depth and perspective is really
Right.
improving. Ah,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. I want to one things I want to definitely say is that when I see your drawing that you
Yeah.
are not keep in your mind the timing. So you are fully deep into the drawing. I always say this one, and that is the one secrets or in a key point of your improvement. I see, and even the whole class. How to you behavior, how to help others. That is also actually a good woman or good behaviors is as a good artist can make good artist. That is also I see this very good things. And what is for my feedback if I tell about you, because we are not getting chance to tell the in front of you because we are taking this online sessions. So what I feel that, to be honest, so you are so helpful others, and that is really learning from the families and background. They help each others, and that is, and I really feel so happy. And the second is when you first finish the this one portrait. I see one girl's portrait, and it was so amazing. The sketching in details, the deer or charcoal portrait, everything. So I see that you try to how to exact look like the sir, how to draw. That is I realized okay, in this journey. And regularity, this is also very important. I see this, you are very regular, and you have definitely hard work. You are doing lots of works, office jobs and all, because as you know, I'm also doing the same lecturer at college Bangalore. I know that I have lots of classes special, but still the cool mind and peace mind and learning and devotion, that is just too good. And this session is really awesome. I also first time, to be honest, first time I listen from students that my
Yes.
first sessions is more attractive or more informative. And actually I also feel like that it is important. So because when I am learning art college and all, so first 2 3 years in art college only the light sketching, they are doing the characters, go to the outside outdoor studies, foliage. So basic first 2 years only sketch, and only for exhibition times before we are painting because for exhibition, but mostly sketch. So the truth is that if your uh, base is very strong, so whatever you draw, it looks fine. So this key point you understand, and I hope that other students also nice all of things. So thank you so much to give your feedback and your, to be honest, your feelings about the school and all. And okay, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye
sir.
bye. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.